Greetings everyone, myself Yash Bansal and the topic for today is ozone layer. Acknowledgement. I Yash Bansal have made this project under the supervision of our teacher Mrs. Nidhi Sharma, and I would like to thank her and our school management for helping me learn so many new things through this project. What is ozone layer? The ozone layer or ozone shield is a region of Earth's stratosphere that absorbs most of the sun's ultraviolet radiation. It contains a high concentration of ozone in relation to other parts of the atmosphere, although still small in relation to other gases in the stratosphere. Who discovered ozone layer? The ozone layer was discovered in 1913 by the French physicists Charles Fabry and Henry Buisson. Where ozone layer is located? The ozone layer is located at the lower portion of stratosphere. How it protects us from UV rays? Ozone in the stratosphere protects life on Earth from harmful ultraviolet radiation and is therefore often called good zone. This in contrast to ozone in the troposphere, the lowest layer of the atmosphere, where it is an air pollutant, can also be harmful to humans, animals and the vegetation. Role of ozone layer and how are humans affected by it? The stratospheric ozone layer absorbs ultraviolet radiation, preventing dangerous UV rays from hitting Earth's surface and harming living organisms. UV rays cannot be seen or felt, but they are very powerful and change the chemical structure of molecules. Ozone layer depletion causes increased UV radiation levels at the Earth's surface, which is damaging to human health. Negative effects include increases in certain types of skin cancers, eye cataracts, and immune deficiency disorders. Ozone layer depletion. Ozone depletion consists of two related events observed since the late 1970s. A steady lowering of about 4% in the total amount of ozone in Earth's atmosphere and a much larger springtime decrease in stratospheric ozone around Earth's polar regions. The lateral phenomenon is referred to as the ozone hole. Damage to ozone layer can cause, for humans, it can cause skin cancer, cataracts, suppression of immune system, premature aging of the skin, as you can see in the images. Damage to ozone layer can cause, on environment, it can cause global warming, climate change, crop and forest damage, less fish harvest, infection and skin diseases on animals. Action taken to protect ozone layer are: first, avoid the consumption of gas dangerous to the ozone layer. Second, minimize the use of cars. Third, do not use cleaning products that are harmful to the environment and to us. Fourth, buy local products. And fifth, maintain air conditioners. This project had been completed with lots of hard work and persistence of Yash Bansal. Hope you all like the explanation of ozone layer. Thank you, and do subscribe our channel and like this video too. Thank you.